Arcane's philosophy is understated, high quality, and just getting the basics of hospitality right. We like to fly underneath the radar, a little bit mysterious, a little bit unknown. My name is Shane Osborn from Arcane restaurant in Hong Kong. The dish I'm cooking today is sautéed potato gnocchi with Yunnan morels, Chinese yellow wine, and white truffle. We bake the potatoes in the oven until they're nice and soft, and then we cut them open, crush the potato through a mincer, and then we mix it with Japanese eggs, flour. When I opened Arcane 10 years ago, we wanted to have something on the menu that would resonate with the local clientele, and people in Hong Kong, they love their noodles, they love their pasta. It's not a technically challenging dish, but it's just about getting the textures and the flavors and the balance right. And then during service, we sauteed the gnocchi in foaming butter, and what we want is we want the potatoes to be fluffy but crispy on the outside. Over time, it's evolved and we're looking to use more local suppliers. We have a sauce made with Chinese yellow wine, which is based with some mushrooms and cream. When people ring to book tables here, they always ask, is the gnocchi on the menu? At Arcane, we put a lot into our sourcing, as do RSRV. Our shared value is that we only produce the best, no matter what our size is. Part of the success of Arcane is we had a lot of customers coming back on a regular basis because the food is constantly moving and evolving. Without a strong team in the kitchens, we wouldn't be able to survive as long as we have.